With the master data on documents functionality, we can make master data information flow from customers and items to sales orders and vendor and items to purchase orders. So once we have defined information code, information values, extended text, languages, etc., it's possible to make a setup which of those information should be transferred to open documents. So with the master data on documents setup, it's possible to actually transfer those automatically to open sales orders and open purchase orders when you create those, and also from sales orders directly to production orders and purchase orders. So it's possible to make those data flow in all those directions automatically. You can also manually change data. So for instance, if you create a sales order, some master data is created automatically. You might add or change some of them and make them flow to the production order or purchase order. And also it's possible to make all of those flow to the posted documents, and you can set up which information should be transferred to the posted documents. Let me just show you shortly how it looks in Business Central, and then somewhere else on Use Dynamics we have a lot of videos explaining this in details. But let's take a quick view. For instance, if an item, if I take my item number 1000, has a specification that it's a city bike, it's a Nexus 7 gear, etc. It's a mail bike. I would like some of those information to flow to my order. I've made this as a setup. I'm not going into the setup now, just explaining you shortly how it works. Likewise, on my customer in here, I have some text, for instance. I've set complaints that just is the purpose of my complaints is only to carry a general text to my document, meaning if I'm diving into my complaint level, looking at my extended text, I have some text in here that I've set up and I've made setup to make this flow to my sales order. And likewise on the middle layer on my salesperson, I have added extended text, and I could also add this in languages. This means if I'm creating a new sales order for the customer 20,000, item number 1000, let's try to do that. So once I'm entering my customer name, it automatically creates master data information for this sales order header somewhere up here. Master data information. So transfer information from the customer number directly to my sales order, and I could do changes in here. Likewise on my sales lines, if I'm adding here an item number, the item number we talked about, when it inserts the line in here, it also creates master data information on the line like this. And according to the setup, it will transfer this information over here. And you can see there's also setup for which of those should be transferred to production orders or purchase orders, even warehouse shipments, what should happen when we post it, would we like it to be printed on open documents, etc. This is all a setup, and it makes it very flexible to add information to all open and posted documents. And if you use the app Document Customizer, it's prepared for this information, meaning when you print out all the documents, it will automatically carry those information according to your setup. And let me just show you shortly how it works. If you have Document Customizer, we had the information on the line and the header. If I print my confirmation, and this is set up with the Document Customizer report from that app, it automatically takes the information from the sales line, including whatever you modified, and the sales header, and it's the same on the posted document and on the purchase side, of course. So with this functionality, you can carry data that you set up on items, customers, and vendor through to purchase and sales and production documents, further to the posted documents, and use this to print directly.